a That Girl night routine that is healthy and relaxing so you can get the best sleep, plus a free checklist. Welcome back to my That Girl series, where I share everything you need to be that girl. Today, we are talking about a night routine, self care, and healthy habits. In order to get quality sleep, you must have healthy night habits. Here are 10 steps for your new That Girl night routine. After a long day, there's nothing better than unwinding. Light a candle, dim the lights, and turn on some light music. This sets the tone that it's nighttime and it's time to relax. Your day is coming to an end, so your mind and body should be focused on relaxing and recovering. This is especially important if you work at a desk all day. Moving your body for at least 30 minutes every day helps with blood flow, better sleep, anxiety, and strengthens muscles. It could be cardio, Pilates, yoga, or a walk as long as you're moving your body. It's important to have a healthy dinner to help lower inflammation, better digestion, and get good sleep. Pinterest has amazing and quick dinner recipes if you need some inspiration. Also, meal planning will help make eating healthy, sustainable, and less stressful. A hot, steamy shower or bath is the best part of a night routine. Popping in a bath bomb, lighting a candle, and dimming the lights. Self care is not selfish, so make it a whole spa experience. Dry brush your body, put on a hair mask, and end with lotion and body serum. If you want glowy, hydrated skin, then you need to have a skincare routine. A skincare routine is personal to everyone, so make sure you are using products that work for your skin type and not trendy products. It also doesn't need to be a 10-step routine. A cleanser, moisturizer, and eye cream are my go-to everyday products. Life is stressful, and sometimes the chaos takes over us. Take some time in your night routine to reflect on your day. Focus on your accomplishments, gratitude, and what could be better the next day. The 5-minute journal is a popular journal for self-reflection. You could also use a journal and ask yourself the same questions. Either way works perfectly. Lay out your clothes for the next day, your gym outfit, or plan the next day. Getting some things ready for tomorrow will help with stress, save you time, and allow you to sleep in. This will also help your That Girl morning routine go more smoothly. Instead of doom scrolling on social media, try picking up a hobby. Reading, puzzles, writing, learning a new language, whatever it may be. Taking some time for yourself is more important than videos on TikTok, I promise. That leads us to another important step. No screen time 30 minutes before bed. The light from your phone sends an alert to your brain that it's still daytime and you should stay awake. Put your brain and your mind to rest by leaving your phone on your nightstand and not in your face at 1 in the morning. Lastly, turn on Do Not Disturb on your phone. It will turn off all notifications from your email, social media, and other apps. This allows for uninterrupted sleep throughout the night. Emergencies happen, so the only expectation I have is to allow calls and messages because you just never know.